Thank you very much to Judge Thomas for hosting this wonderful event and giving me the opportunity to talk to you about myself. My name is Bridget Mary McCormack, and I am delighted and honored to be running for the Michigan Supreme Court along with Judge Connie Kelly and Judge Sheila Johnson. Together, the three of us are going to make sure that the Michigan Supreme Court is returned and restored to a court that's based on fairness, integrity, and protecting all of our families. We are going to win this election in the fall with your help. As Judge Thomas told you, I'm at the University of Michigan Law School. I'm a professor there, and I'm the dean for all the clinical programs. What that means is I'm in charge of practical legal education. We use law school now to teach law students how to be real lawyers, not just how to think about appellate decisions. And we do that by representing people who otherwise couldn't afford lawyers. I myself have founded a lot of the legal clinics that we run at the law school. I founded a domestic violence clinic. I founded a pediatric health advocacy clinic. In that clinic, the law students work together under my supervision, together with pediatricians, to provide legal services to the pediatric patients who are the sick children and their families. I also founded the Michigan Innocence Clinic. In the Michigan Innocence Clinic, we represent people who've been wrongfully convicted of crimes, and we work to prove their innocence so that we can make sure that the guilty party is actually apprehended and the innocent people are not in prison. We've exonerated 6 people in our first 3 years. And in those 6 cases, we know of 5 additional homicides that happened in Michigan communities because the wrong person was in prison while the guilty party was still out in our communities. Our families are not safer when the justice system gets it wrong. I've now spent 21 years representing people who don't have access to lawyers or courts or justice, and I'm going to take the lessons that I've learned from that work, the lessons that I've learned about where the system doesn't work so well and who it doesn't work well for, to the Michigan Supreme Court. And together with Sheila Johnson and Connie Kelly, Judge Sheila Johnson and Judge Connie Kelly, we are going to make sure the Michigan Supreme Court cares about all of our families. A little bit about me personally. I live in Ann Arbor because I teach at the University of Michigan. I live there with my husband, and we have 4 teenagers and almost teenagers. And I want to make sure we know that we all have to vote in the nonpartisan section of the ballot. So, to say it yet again, the nonpartisan section, you will have to go to that section and look for Judge Connie Kelly, Judge Sheila Johnson, and Bridget Mary McCormack. And so remember our slogan, don't give your ballot back until you vote Kelly, Johnson, and McCormack. Thank you very much.